This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello, Meghalaya. Your story starts here.
Khan yau trik jilio arjapsan bakran skilap thai khubor hadin ka chingwan yalam ki bidang ti penyap raja rakubanshi ban kedawi ki caka bakila sheme ki ching emjungu uba bibex em IPS SP East Castles District long baki bidang ti ki tho ba raja lamat penyap da arli ki waj uba bibex em ulong ba kawai kawai ladap ban shimti ki pulet ka ba kawai pat labret sikati gariat ba andang wa ya kan ret arliang ulai thu bala pam nakong raja do Vishal Singh Chauhan haka arfly trek chamang arjapsan Shaban Brad u shapo ketika riat.
The SIT today visited a number of places. We have done reconstruction in 5 places, starting from Molakiat up to Waisaudong parking lot. And this reconstruction has been based on the interrogations we've been conducting over the last few days. I have already told you that in the interrogations they have admitted to the offence. And we just had to actually replay or recast how they had done it. And we started off from the Maulakiat parking lot where they had kept the scooties. Then we had moved on to a place about 3 to 4 kilometers from Waisaudong parking lot, whereby they had stopped to take photographs, and there was an attempt in that place. But it was not feasible because Raja started off his bike, and so they had to move on. And they had stopped about 200 meters away from the Waisaudong parking lot. There only photographs were taken, but attempt was not made in that point. We finally came to the Waisaudong parking lot where the scooties were kept. We had ascertained where Raja was standing. We had taken to replay the whole thing, we had taken one of our personnel from the Fire and Emergency Services as Raja to replay the role of Raja. We have ascertained what was the position just before the murder, who was standing where, and how the blow took place. So 3 blows took place. The first blow was by Vishal, alias Vicky. The second blow was by Anand, and the last blow was by Akash. In our interrogation, we have ascertained that there is one more dao or machete which needs to be recovered. It is still down there. They have replayed of how they have thrown the 2 daos. The first dao which was thrown has been recovered. You have seen that, I think, in certain visuals. It has an orange handle. The second machete, which is not recovered and from which they have shown as to where is the point of it being thrown, it's got a steel handle. The SDRF on the job, they've gone down and they've taken handheld metal detectors to try to recover the weapon. We have also ascertained how Akash, the white shirt which we had recovered with the body on the 2nd of June, that was thrown by Akash. That was his shirt. He has shown us from where he has thrown that. We have also ascertained as to what happened to the mobile of Raja, which was first damaged by Sonam and later by Vishal. So this whole thing has been played out, and how they made their exit from this place. So this whole scheme, this whole reconstruction of the murder, the offence has been played out today. We have got a very clear picture. We've recorded in videography. We've got independent witnesses to cover it. And I think the reconstruction was very, very successful. Thank you.
So क्या हथियार रिकवर हुआ जिसको आप बोल रहे थे और क्या सोनम का फोन अभी तक मिला है?
See, we have in a statement we have ascertained one more weapon, which I have said. Today they have shown us, because of the kind of terrain out there, which is a particular fall to the gorge. The SDRF is here and they will be recovering it. If they can get today, we're hoping that they should get today. If not, then tomorrow. But the whole the hitting of the victim with that or using that weapon on the victim has been ascertained, and where that weapon was thrown from has also been ascertained.
What about the Sonam's phone?
The third phone is one from the neck.
What about the Sonam's
See, there were, as per the post-mortem report, there were 2 wounds on the head. Also, if there's an impact, also the kind of decomposition which the body has had, post-mortem examination was able to ascertain that gash out there. But the 2 head injuries from sharp weapons are very clear.
Sir, where is Sonam's phone?
Sorry? See, Sonam's phone she's actually destroyed that phone and thrown off that phone.
The ornaments that Raja was wearing, gold chain, the money, where?
See, that has already been actually taken out right from down there, right from Nongriat. Only there was no gold being worn on him. It was already in the bag.
Sir,
तो क्या राजा ने बचने की कोशिश की?
He was taken by surprise. The first hit was from Vicky, and it was I think it was a very hard hit because it used, I think, 2 hands were used for that hit.
सर, राजा ने अपने आप को बचाने के लिए कैसे कोशिश की थी? क्या हाथापाई हुई थी? और सोनम उस वक्त कहाँ पर मौजूद थी? सोनम ने भी क्या उसे मारने की कोशिश की थी या लाश को डंप करने में मदद की थी?
See, Sonam was there when this happened and all that, and
कितना दूरी पे होगा सर, कम से कम?
Sonam had already given a signal to them just before the parking lot that they should finish the job, and Sonam was close by. In fact, she was in front when this happened. Sonam was in front, Raja was behind, Vishal was to the right, Akash was just to the behind but to his left, and Anand was to his right or to his left. When this happened, when the first shot, when the first hit was given by Vishal, and the blood came out and he had fallen, which we have reconstructed that, she ran off from that place because he was screaming. So she just moved away from that spot. And the body was thrown by the 3 of them. 2 of them held from the hands and 1 person held from the legs. And he was thrown down. They have mentioned out there that he had because it's terrace, that the precipice out there is terrace. The body had fallen into one kind of a platform, and from there on went right down.
सर, वो जो एंड पॉइंट है जहाँ पर वो ग्रिल लगी है, जिस पर एक स्टेयर है, वहीं पर मर्डर भी हुआ, तो वहीं से डाउन किया.
Sir, did he die because of the wound or because of the fall?
The postmortem says he died because of the sharp weapons.
Right. Sir, you mentioned that all the three were the ones who lifted the body. Who was the one who was riding the scooty and eyeing around here?
We actually in the beginning, we had thought that somebody was actually moving around up and down. But actually this is actually, if you go this way, and you go this way, it's a zigzag. So the zigzag is actually this one. It's not somebody going up and down.
So could you establish the motive of the crime through this crime scene reenactment?
See, out here is actually finding out its motive. Though the preliminary investigation, as we have already said, that is a love triangle, but we are trying to explore if there's any other thing more. This investigation doesn't end here. Like, okay, the accused have admitted, we have got evidence, we have reconstructed and admitted. It doesn't end here. We will explore if there's any other motive. Right now, the motive which appears in front of us is this love triangle, and we will explore further.
सर सबसे सबसे बड़ा सवाल है, राज ने टिकट बुक किया था इंदौर से यहाँ आने के लिए, वो क्यों नहीं आया? पूछताछ में उसने क्या बताया है? अपने तीनों दोस्तों को भेजा, सोनम यहाँ पर आई, वो कांटेक्ट में रहा, राज क्यों नहीं आया?
See, Raj is an employee of Sonam's family's company. His disappearance out there would be suspicious. That's why he is always in touch with the family.
जो सीन रिक्रिएशन के समय सोनम ने क्या कबूल किया है कि वो इस घटना में शामिल है, उसने ही हत्या की है?
Very much.
कबूल की है आज?
Yes, very much. Right from the beginning, I said in my statement she has already admitted to this whole scheme of things.
क्या सर शिप्रा होम स्टे के पास
Yes?
Will you produce report tomorrow?
No, it's not
Day after.
day after tomorrow. Day after. No,
सर बॉडी उठाने में सोनम ने भी मदद की थी।
no.
Sir, the Meghalaya police will seek the more times from the court, sir.
Were Vishal and Akash both holding? And Anand, how did he hit? Like the last one.
Anand, Akash had given him.
Okay.
Akash had given Anand and we don't taken the last one.
Sir,
Express regret, all four of them. Did they explicitly
See,
remorse when they brought
any
them?
criminal who is actually caught will regret their actions and all that. So we cannot say whether they have remorse. Regret they have, remorse I can't say.
Can you,
sir,
can you,
committed the crime.
can,
Right.
how was
What was her expression when he shared?
Because, I don't think so. She was actually just replying to what he did, what he said and all that. There was no crying.
How did she know about this place? Why did they choose this place?
It was, according to them, it's by chance that they chose this place. They were actually all along multiple places wanted to actually finish him off. Like I said, right from Longriat also, they wanted, but there's no place to dispose. So multiple places around, they looked. And when they just happened to move into this place, they found it was empty. And there was a viewpoint which they were hanging around out there in that viewpoint. So that was the chance they took.
सोशल मीडिया पर दो वीडियो वायरल है, जो लास्ट वीडियो बताया जा रहा है जिसमें सोनम भी दिख रही है और तीनों कातिल भी दिख रहे हैं, तो क्या उस शख्स को पूछताछ के लिए बुलाया जाएगा, उसकी स्टेटमेंट ली जाएगी जो वीडियो?
Yes, yes. In fact, that will help us also because हम लोग the whole thing is we trying to prove is that these people were there together. So that video also in fact just helps us. So the person who recorded that, we will reach out to him.
sir,
Can we rule out that the accused had reached the place because the ease at which they left the place after committing the crime, taking a scooty, it needs an expert who knows the route and all. It's not easy to just get to the main road from here. So is there is it possible that anyone of them has visited the place before?
See, as of now, because you see, you have number one is in this day and age, you have your Google, you have GPS and all that. So it's not very difficult actually to get to the main road. Okay, so we'll show you the closest approach to get to the main road. It's not very difficult in this day and age. And but regarding whether they came, none of these people have visited Shillong before. However, we will still investigate in this matter if actually they had prior information in this place or they visited this place prior to this incident.
सर
so
लव
the police
ट्रायंगल
satisfied with the 8 days custody or you're seeking for more?
Well, no, we'll take a call on that. I'll have to sit with the in charge SIT and his team and all that. Whether they will let me know whether they still require some more days. Perhaps they will.
सर लव ट्रायंगल के अलावा क्या फाइनेंशियल एंगल भी है इसमें? पहला सवाल, क्योंकि राजा का कोई बड़ा कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मिलने वाला था जिस पर डील हो रही थी मध्य प्रदेश इंदौर में, और वहाँ पर राज को कौन और ऐसा साथ जो सपोर्ट कर रहा था? दो लड़के कौन? क्योंकि बनारस की लड़की ने दो लड़कों का जिक्र किया है.
See, like I said, immediately which comes to the fore is this love triangle. Investigation has just started. We will explore more into this. If there are other angles, if there's a financial angle, if somebody was to gain from Raja's death, like you said, if Raja was going to bag a contract, we will verify all these. In fact, right now as we are speaking, my team is there in Indore. They have gone to the flat the flat where Sonam was kept. They have conducted search out there. The flat is empty, but they will be camping in Indore for actually questioning a lot of things.
Can you tell
इंदौर
us?
लेकर जाएंगे सर?
Can you tell us at any time Raja was surprised to see the presence of these three, or the three are known to him?
No, Raja was not known. These three were not known to Raja. In fact, once they made friends, and since the plan was known to Sonam and the three people, so when they said that they'll go to Dauki, Raja automatically made friends with them because they're from. They had said that they're going to MP, also to Dauki. And so they made plans together that from here they go to Dauki.
So they established contact in Nokla. On the strike itself.
Yes, yes.
Okay, thank you.
सर सोनम की फैमिली को भी स्टेटमेंट लेंगे, उनको इन्वेस्टिगेशन ज्वाइन कराएंगे.
Kalita case was known to them because the body was dumped here earlier.
Sorry.
Because that story also went viral all over the country. So did they know about that story?
Not to our knowledge, and they have never visited this place. They have not heard about this place before also. According to them, it's by chance. But we will explore that, like I said, whether they have come here before. And if they have come here before, then we'll be familiar with the place.
सर सोनम की फैमिली को भी इन्वेस्टिगेशन ज्वाइन करने के लिए आप लोगों ने बोला है किसी को?
See, our team is there. They will do some questioning out there. They will find out what is the background and lot of any other angle where we will be questioning. Okay.
Habatin, page bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut page ya kashap plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kata ika dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya